It's always great to beat Gannon. I feel good. As long as we win, I don't care.
You hit some big shots down the stretch. Did you kind of, I mean, was that the plan or is that just the way it worked out?
That's just the way it worked out. We're a team, play together. I think everybody. This wasn't just me, this was the whole team.
What was going through your mind? I know when you guys were trying to get back into it, you had that one go through your legs right there, and then you came right back down. What was your mindset after you almost thought you probably let it slip away and you came back to fight into this with the team?
I had to make up for that. I was kind of embarrassed. You know, I didn't want to let my team down. You know, had to go hard.
I've kind of been saying to myself and our other guy that I feel like you guys kind of get overshadowed because you guys are having a great season, 12-3 now. Do you guys kind of have that with Gannon being #2 in the nation? Do you feel like you don't get the attention around the community you deserve?
I mean, as long as I've been here, Gannon's beat us one time, so I don't understand why people feel like that. I mean, I'm relaxed. Again, it's another game, just like Slippy Rock, just like Mercy Rose.
Excellent. It always feels good when we get a win.
I mean, what was the difference down the stretch?
I mean, I think we just stick together really well as a team. Nobody really ever gets down on each other. This is probably the most cohesive team I've ever been on. You know?
Down the stretch right there, was it a change of who was going to get the ball, or was pretty much anybody felt comfortable with whoever was going to take that shot? I mean, I know you drove the lane and made that nice layup, but you know, talk about the plans going down the stretch and finally trying to get over the hump and get the lead in this game.
We didn't really have a set plan. I mean, we had a play we wanted to run, but I mean, obviously that doesn't always go as planned. So, I mean, we're pretty much comfortable with anybody taking that shot.
What are the expectations now? It seems that this is a wide open race now that they've come here and you've beaten them and you've got 7 in a row now. Where do the expectations go from here for this team the rest of this season?
I mean, we started the season with the highest expectations, so I mean, now nothing's changed. We all believe in each other. We want the big wins, and this was definitely one of them.
Did you feel like underdogs coming into this one at all?
No, I mean, we don't really look at rankings. Rankings don't really mean anything. I mean, of course, you have people telling you stuff like that, but I mean, it just made the victory all the more fun.
It was a great team win for us. We had a lot of people step up tonight, and it was just a great team victory.
Those final timeouts down the stretch, what was going through everyone's head? And it seemed like every time you got to tie it or within 1 point, they pulled away. How'd you girls keep coming back and getting back into this one?
We just kept talking about how we have to get over the hump. We were with them the whole game, or down a point. Like, we're pretty much down a point or down to a couple throughout the whole game. So we just decided, like, okay, let's just take off here and let's just go for it.
Same thing I asked Darche. Do you guys kind of feel like that you should be hanging in the PSAC? I mean, you guys are right there behind them. Now you're ahead of them. Do you guys kind of feel like you were the underdog coming into this one?
Something
to prove, I guess.
I mean, on paper, we're the underdog. In our heads, I don't think we were. We our first three losses of the season were like in the first half of the year, and they were losses that we could have easily won. In my mind, we're kind of an undefeated team in a way. We've been a new team since Christmas break, I would say. I feel like we have a totally different mindset, and so in my head, we weren't the underdog. We just came out and had a win, and we won.
What about defending their three-point attack? Bats leads the country, but they had to go down to the last few seconds to get shots off.
Yeah, it did. We just, one of our goals is to stop their three-pointers. I think Darche did an unbelievable job on bats. I'm pretty sure she only made maybe one. I'm not sure. But that was one of our goals. And at the end, we obviously were up 3, so we had to defend the 3 as we did the whole game.
Rebounding, we're struggling rebounding. Nettie's really such a strong force inside, and she's just so difficult to defend, and she's a great rebounder, and it showed in the rebounding statistics. They just dominated us, and we were so worried about that aspect of the game.
With the role that you guys have been on, to now take down the #2 team in the country, what's a win like this do for a team?
Makes us 6-0 in the West, and we're leading the West now. And that's how we're looking at it. We're trying to play for that 1-2 spot in the West and be able to get a bye in a first round hosting in the playoffs. And we take each game one step at a time, and this team's very good about that.
What would you say during some of those timeouts down the stretch when it seemed like girls would get 1 point tie but then go down by 4? How did you kind of keep their mentality into it and have them fight back?
Well, I think we focused on strategy and what we need to do and some of the things that we were working on, whether it was offensively or defensively. And we just said we just got to get over the hump. We got to get over the hump and finally at the end we did.
What's the ceiling for this team?
There is no ceiling.
None?
None at all.
We're headed to the top. That's what we do. We're going to the top. I mean, that's it.
We're not where we want to be yet. We're still getting better every day in practice, every game. I feel like we're becoming a better team. We're getting more comfortable with each other each game, and I just think we're going to keep improving.
I think what we're going through right now is we're developing as a team, and we're coming together as a team. And I think now what's coming together is the confidence level. And as we progress and as we go further in the season, I think that our confidence level can just keep getting better and better. I see them doing things that we've been trying to do prior to Christmas that now they're doing it after Christmas, and it's working out really well.
Is that a scary thought to see this team finally starting to put it all together down the stretch?
Yeah, I've always thought they were a good team. I said if all the pieces fall into place, they could be very, very good. And we just got to keep improving. And I think that I don't think they're as good as what they can totally be yet.